Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to send pictures on Gmail. So let's start. First, open the Gmail app. Now tap on Compose from bottom right corner. Now enter the email ID you want to send the picture to. Now add a subject line. Now to add picture, tap on the paperclip icon at the top of the page and tap Attach File. Remember, you can attach up to 25 megabytes of file here. Otherwise, you have to add those files to Google Drive and attach the link here. Now I'll just randomly select an image. And tap on the blue arrow icon on top right corner to send the email. And your email is sent. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.